Hello people, thank you, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. I've gotten some friends to model for me so I can see the front and the back. And I forgot, that the widest part is not this hip, it's this part of the hip. And also that I took the shoulder width, and obviously the hip width is wider on a woman with hips. So yeah, I've got some pictures, I've got my model of choice. We have view from the back and the front, and that's basically just different sizes of it. And I also got the hand across the back and the front of the head. Today I definitely want to work out this under section here and this one, because once I start trying to shape these sides, I will have no idea when I look at it where any of this went, because if I take off any of this weight, the paper comes with it. First task of the day, paper removal. Who knew my life was so exciting? My aim here is to try and remove this paper with as much of it, staying in contact as it can. And I was hoping that my gluing job was much worse than it actually is. Because if I can keep this in one piece, then when I've shaped the sides, I can just kind of throw it up again. Look at me. I am a wizard with a spatula, wow. A chisel. And now I've got a reference point. I can use the stencil for the rest of it. We now have 3 definite holes. That means I can start, scooping and drilling and stuff. So, the model in the picture looks like this. How much do you think those boobs go sideways? I've got to work out how much I should allow outside of the chest area. How do you work out what someone you've never met in person and have only ever seen one side of looks like from behind when they're naked? Yeah, I'm just ignoring everything underneath that line. These two centers are the non-safe zone, and I'm gonna have to work it out later. I mean, the boob's here, right? I could just put this material away so I've got the profile up until I get to the boob. And that way it looks like I'm doing more. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not confident in that arm section, so I'm going to leave it a little bit of space and carve like a safety gap. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the progress that we made today. We're getting there, we are definitely getting there. And I'm really happy with the progress as it's going so far. Thank you very much everyone for tuning in. I've had a great time. I've been really enjoying talking to all of you. Again, if you want to tune in, I stream every weekday doing woodwork, and then one of the streams will be at 12 Eastern Standard Time. One of the streams will be at 5 Eastern Standard Time. One of them will be gaming, one of them will be woodwork, or I'll be way too tired. Sometimes it happens. Thank you very much everyone for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you next time.